How to fix a Dasher app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, let's make sure that our Dasher app is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Dasher. Now if the Dasher app shows update, tap onto it and update your app. Once you have done that, tap onto your Settings application. Here scroll below onto Apps and again search for Dasher. Tap onto your app, then tap on Storage and clear the cache. You also have to clear your data, so make sure that you remember your username and your password. Once you have done that, come back into App Info page and tap on Force Stop. Then tap on OK and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.